Okay, so different kind of video here. My wife has a birthday coming up this month, end of month. I bought her some things. One of them was supposed to be for Valentine's Day, and I don't typically do anything for Valentine's Day. There's a personal reason for that, but I've never really been that big on Valentine's Day, and so I never really thought about doing anything. But I've got two items here, and I'll show pictures at the end of the video of what I'm putting in this. This is just going to be like a jewelry type box made out of cedar, and there'll be two pieces of jewelry in here that I got for my wife, and I'm going to actually router this edge out about 3/8 of an inch down, so this little knot here will be gone once I get that part done, so that this is the lid. This will fit down into itself, and I've got some sanding to do as well still, so this box I'm hoping to have done here in a few days. I'm doing all this without her knowing it. There's a reason for that. So anyhow, I thought, why not do something real special? And it's something that she can keep along with the jewelry. I got her some earrings and a necklace. So anyhow, go ahead and get back to building this thing. I've got it sanded down pretty well where I want it to be at sanding wise. I've got to wipe it down. Use my router on the lid to router it. This section will go in. It fits pretty snug. Not too snug, but snug enough. I'll get a closer. So it's just going to be a little jewelry box. It's nothing too spectacular, I guess, but I just wanted to put a little bit more into this. Last time I worked on a small jewelry box type project, I was putting it together, filling in the screw holes, sanding it. I've got it pretty smooth right now. And what I've done so far, I wiped it down with a damp cloth to get all the sawdust off. So I'm going to start sealing it with a clear coat. See how this works out. It's a clear matte finish. I like the way the cedar wood looks, so I'm going to leave it the way it is with just this kind of coating on it. And what I typically use to put this on are these little brushes. They're pretty easy. They're kind of throwaways once you've used it, but it works well with this stuff. So we'll go ahead, we'll get started. the small jewelry box that I put together. I don't know, I think the top with the boxes in there, it's not fitting all the way down like I wanted it to, but it does work out. Let me go ahead and lift this up. This is just cedar, scrap cedar that I had around here. So, and both boxes fit inside. I went ahead and I have a branding iron. I brand my name on anything I make. So these will go in perfectly. I went too deep on the lid, I think, because it doesn't slide all the way down in when these boxes are in there, but it does when they're not. So anyhow, it does fit good enough. It looks right. And the clear finish I put on, I like the way it looks. I really like the way this clear finish brings out the wood grain in, especially the cedar.